Hey, everyone! Welcome back to Coder Squad. Today, we're delving into the world of on-page SEO, a crucial aspect of optimizing your website for search engines. Let's start with the basics. What exactly is on-page SEO? On-page SEO refers to the optimization of individual web pages to rank higher and earn more relevant traffic in search engines. It's about making your content as search engine friendly as possible. Now, let's dive into the key elements of on-page SEO. 1. Title tags. Craft compelling and relevant title tags for each page, including your target keyword. 2. Meta descriptions. Write concise and enticing meta descriptions that encourage clicks and include relevant keywords. 3. Header tags, H1, H2, H3, etc. Use header tags to structure your content. The H1 should typically include your main keyword. 4. URL structure. Create clean, readable URLs that include your target keyword. 5. Keyword placement. Strategically place your target keywords throughout your content, but keep it natural and user-friendly. 6. Image optimization. Optimize images by adding descriptive alt text and compressing them for faster loading. Beyond technical elements, the quality of your content matters immensely. Ensure your content is not only optimized for keywords, but provides real value to your audience. High-quality content tends to perform better in search results. Another vital aspect of on-page SEO is linking. 1. Internal linking. Link to other relevant pages within your site. It helps with navigation and spreads authority. 2. External linking. Include links to reputable external sources. It adds credibility to your content. In this mobile-first era, mobile friendliness and page speed are non-negotiable. 1. Mobile friendliness. Ensure your website is responsive and provides a great experience on mobile devices. 2. Page speed. Optimize your page speed for a better user experience and improved search rankings. That wraps up our crash course on on-page SEO. Remember, it's about making your content both search engine and user-friendly. Got questions? Drop them in the comments below. Thanks for tuning in, and I'll see you in the next video. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to Coder Squad.